How to add PayPal button to Wix website. Hello everyone, if you are looking to enhance your Wix website by adding a PayPal button for donation or a virtual product, don't worry, this video is for you. I will guide you step by step through the process to integrating a PayPal button into your Wix website for free. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Wix dashboard, then hit on design sheet, then it will take you directly to your Wix to customize your Wix website. Then first guys, go to the left side, then hit on the plus icon. Then I will show you guys the easy method to add and integrate the PayPal button into your Wix website without using any paid version application. Then first guys, go to the search bar and tap and hit on search bar, then go directly and tap PayPal. Then wait a few seconds, or you can just go to App Market and or select PayPal button. This application guys, it's very easy to install this application on your Wix website and easy to use even you are a beginner. Then guys, just hit on add to site. As you see guys, it's a free plan available. Then hit on agree and add. It's take a few seconds to install this application. Now guys, your application, it will add it automatically to your Wix website, and we show you how you can easily add this PayPal button into any page on your Wix website. For example, if you want to add it on home page, or if you want to add it to a product page, for example, just right click and hit on copy and go to another page, for example, about or store policy or my order or my wallet or product page. For example, if you want to add it, just open another page. It's very easy guys. Then after opening the product page, just hit and again go to just the right click again and paste it. As you see guys, automatically it will add it to your product page. As you see guys, it's very easy to add this PayPal button into any pages in your Wix website. Then guys, I will show you how to customize this PayPal button into your Wix website. First hit on settings, then I will show you how you can easily add this set up your PayPal button into your Wix website. First guys, it will take you directly to settings on this this application. First you need to connect your PayPal button into your PayPal account. First you need to add your email address, then guys paste it, then scroll to if you want to create one and you need to verify this email address, just hit on verify, then it will send the verification code to your email address. Then guys, go to directly to settings and the right side, then you need to PayPal button type, the category you can select the buy now or donate or subscribe. For example, if you are using the Wix for donation or buying a product or virtual product, for example, you can select which one that you want. For example, buy it now, then go back to payment notification, then select payment notification, then you need to send payment notification to from this email, or you can change or add a new email. Then go back and go to pay autoresponder email after donation and after buying the product, then it will send an autoresponder email. Then you need to enable it, and if you want to customize it, just you need to hit on customize autoresponder email, then it will give you the options to select which template that you want to, for example this one or this one or this one. Then go back and go back again, go to redirects after payment. After payment you need to redirect, it will take you directly to the site or the website. Then go back again, then for example the Google Tag Manager, it's not needed. Then go to product. If you are using the virtual product, you need to add the product and make it a fixed amount or a flexible, for example. Then you need to add the product cost, for example $20 or $25. $25. The quantity, default quantity, make it 5 or 10 if you are using the virtual product. Then guys, the tax, the shipping, discount code. Then the last design, go to select which design that you want, buy it now like this. I prefer always using the blue color like PayPal colors. Then guys, the other, if you want to relate it with the other application, you can easily select which application. As you see guys, this is the easy method to add the PayPal button into your Wix website and make it enable, and you can easily select it and add and make a donation on your Wix website with the easy method without any paid version application and for free. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.